Los talleres de arte me encantaron. Además, lo que me encanta es que lo dan gratis a la comunidad. Y ver mi arpillera ahí colgando era como que ¡ah! Y entonces la gente me preguntaba, ¿y cuál es tuyo?
They're pretty amazing. There are lots of stories in there. We're very excited also to be working outside, stitching and embellishing Vizcaya.
I like to see everybody's reaction when they see their artwork, their stitch put together.
People are asking for more workshops, that these workshops should not only be given once a year, but throughout the year.
Being here today and seeing how well the project turned out, what a good time we had together, I'm basking in the joy of our success with this project this summer.